The next project is installing this Roadmaster Invisibrake, which I found on the internet, local Facebook marketplace for a very good price. Anyway, the way this works is it receives the brake signal from the tow vehicle, and when it does that, it has basically a compressor in here that actuates this cylinder, okay, which pulls on this cable, which then pulls on the brake, right? It also has wiring for the tail lights. I am electing not to wire it into the Jeep. I'm going to use separate lights so I don't have to mess with the Jeep's wiring. But we'll see how this goes. So far I've got the pulley installed. Had to use sheet metal screws for them bad boys. This is just attached with some bolts and nuts. And yeah, once I get it installed, I will show how it works.